In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your Shopify store. Whether you're undergoing maintenance, redesigning your site, or just need a break, we're here to guide you through the simple steps to keep your storefront under wraps until you're ready. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. This is where all the magic begins. Head over to your store's admin dashboard, which is essentially your command center. Once you're in, look around and get familiar with the layout if you haven't already, as this will make navigating through future processes much smoother. Next, we're going to focus on the online store section found in the menu on the left side of your screen. Clicking on this will pull up a drop-down menu consisting of options vital to managing your store's public presence, among other things. Here you should see a themes option, but for now we'll shift our attention downward to preferences. Clicking on Preferences directs us to a page containing several important settings, including those related to search engine optimization and, of course, customer privacy. Scroll down until you reach the section where you can restrict your store's visibility using a password. This is the key area that will allow us to hide your store from unwanted visitors. The functionality here is straightforward yet effective. You have the ability to toggle the store's public access by applying a password restriction. If you're on a specific Shopify plan that allows password protection, you can easily switch this feature on or off. Imagine it like an invisibility cloak for your storefront, a simple yet powerful control at your fingertips. Once this is done, remember to hit the Save button before navigating away from the page. It may sound simple, but forgetting this step could mean all your changes go to waste. Saving your preferences ensures everything is properly set as you intended, and your store will be safely tucked away from public view until you're ready to open it back up. Now that you've followed these steps, your Shopify store is hidden from public view successfully. Taking a moment to toggle the password feature allows you to focus on any other changes or updates you need to make behind the scenes without the pressure of being live. Always remember that these settings can be adjusted as many times as needed, giving you flexibility and control over when and how your store is visible to the world. And there you have it. You've just learned how to hide your Shopify store in just a few short steps. Be sure to revisit these settings anytime you need to shield your site from visitors, and take confidence in managing your online presence at your own pace. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.